Let's see what this new update is all about. Mysterious new construction zone. Something big is being built in Brookhaven. Investigate the new construction area by the airport. And some bugs fixed. Well, it said it was by the airport, but it's pointing that way. Maybe that's just the road leading to it. Probably not. But it said it was by the airport. Yeah, look, it still says it's up ahead, but there's nothing over there. Where's the construction area? I swear. Oh, there it is. My. Golf cart. Let's take this golf cart over there, then we'll do some exploring, and then I'll end this video. If I could go faster, please. Oof. And if you're wondering why I'm a bacon, it's because I'm on my old account. Under construction. Construction complete in 6 days, 2 hours, and 49 minutes. This looks kind of like that other thing that you would build. It's a house and there's like different stages. I wonder what this is going to be. Maybe there's going to be a permanent carnival over here. And also, why is it in the ground? Maybe there will be... It's going to be something big because there's another update coming out in 6 days. What in the world? What is this? And it says something big is coming to Brookhaven, so... This update is probably going to be pretty big. What is this? What is this? Ooh, maybe it will be a mine. Like a mine shaft. I doubt it. But... What the fuck? What is this? What is this? What if I jump in? Will it kill me? No! What the heck is this? It's just a liquid! Ew! Brother, ew! Disgusting! What is this? What is that? Ugh! Oh my god, bro, why is it that much? Why is it there? Can I control the crane? OMG, yes I can. Lower it. Down it goes. Alright, guys. I'm going to let it settle, and then I'm going to try to jump on it. No. Get back up. Climb! Made it. Ooh, almost fell. Alright, guys. You ready? Maybe not yet. Alright. Boop down down, down down bump down wow, bow down 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 wow, down 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 down. All right, I think it's almost there. Jump! Oh gosh, I'm scared. Wait. I missed. Alrighty then, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate all the subscribers, all the views you guys have gotten me. I've just come so far since, March. I'm almost at 500 subscribers, so if you're watching this, subscribe. Because it would be a big accomplishment for me to get 500 subscribers. in just like a couple months. I don't know how many people get that milestone that fast, but it would be such an honor to get that many subscribers. I'm so thankful for all you guys have done for my channel, and I really wish that you guys have a wonderful day, even if you don't. Tomorrow's a new day. Change everything. Anyway, bye. Thank you for watching.